To call Jordan a rising star is probably not accurate because Jordan is already a star in our business, albeit he's relatively young into the industry. He works and has been a driving force for our #1 team, Team Steinway, and he is absolutely a driver of key technology and digital strategies. He's a key driver and a key reason that the Steinway team is the #1 team at McGrath. And his digital and social marketing expertise and prowess allows not only him to promote the great work the team's doing, but more importantly, the great sales and listings that they're looking after for their clients. Having been trained by the best, literally being an integral part of McGrath's #1 team, Jordan has learnt the absolute best skills, not only around negotiation and sales, but around digital marketing. And I think today in the industry, he's one of the experts around digital marketing for real estate. In the future, I think Jordan is going to be one of the best real estate agents in all of Australia. He's got the earmarks. I've seen some of the best talent come through the McGrath ranks. He's as good as any as I've ever seen.